the UDIRC InkFish. This is actually like a wave runner or a Sea-Doo, and it's a RC version. They call it a 14-inch jet pump boat. This is a jet boat, not a traditional prop boat, and I got that because there's probably a lot of seaweed in the ocean. You're not really supposed to drive RC boats in the saltwater anyway, so I figure if I'm gonna do it, I might as well try it with a jet boat like this, and also one that's not super expensive. These are the two versions that it comes with. You can see on the top is the UDI 023 and on the bottom is the UDI 023 Pro, with the Pro being the brushless version. It's unfortunate because I actually think that the brushed version looks a little better with that neon green, but the darker black and the yellow, that's how you know it's the brushless. This was a pretty good deal. I got it for $100 on Amazon. I'll put an affiliate link in the description as well as here in the video, and you can grab one yourself. And the reviews look pretty good. This way it's compact and small so I can pack it. Now guys, I say $100 for what I got mine, but actually in most of the links that I saw, it was more expensive than that. Usually it's around $100 for the brushed version and a little higher for the brushless. But in some cases you can get it for cheaper, and I happened to find one for $100. But either way, it's a pretty budget-friendly boat. UDIRC comes out with some pretty cool stuff. I've never owned any of their RCs, but I have seen a short course truck. RC Reset did a pretty cool video on a short course truck. I'll link that here if you want to check it out. It looked like a nice looking rig. So it looks like it comes with two little LiPo 2S batteries. Look at that. It's pretty scale looking actually. It looks just like a jet ski. By the way, if you've ever driven one of these in real life, they are super fun. There are working LED lights up front, even in the rear here. Got the jet back here. Got the plug for the LED lights here. It does come with 2S packs. They're 2000 milliamp and there's two of them, which is nice. It does come with an extra prop in here, that internal prop for that jet boat. And it even comes with a little stand here, which is pretty neat. Here's the ESC in there. That's an 80 amp ESC paired with a water-cooled 3500 kV motor. It does also come with this basic charger. Super slow charging time for these kinds of operations, but they do the job. Fairly tight fit for the battery. Nice. There's a good watertight seal here, and then you latch these as well, so that's good to keep water from getting in there. There's the turning. Probably don't want to do that too much with it out of water. This remote looks pretty cool. It's also got some good tricks on it, and I'll show you those in the water. It's got 3 settings. It's got a slow setting like this, which is pretty slow. And it's got a medium setting. Whoa! Wow, that's quite a bit faster. So being a jet boat, I guess you can only steer with the throttle on. That carves pretty well. All right, now let's try fast. Whoa! That's awesome. Wow, does a little submarine action. It's pretty heavy looking, so it the nose goes down pretty well. Also, another trick is it has a self-righting feature. For such a little cheap boat, that's pretty impressive. Whoa, I just doused myself. I want it to flip over. So if it were flipped over like that. Uh-oh. So it really didn't flip over. There it goes. So it takes a couple tries. Oop. Now let's see what she looks like with a rider on top. It does look a little weird without someone on top, kind of like the Losi Pro Moto has a rider on it. That'd be cool if this came with one, but at the same time, that would probably make it a lot harder to flip over. So the self-righting feature might be the reason why they don't have that. But for fun, let's try it.
That'll be mine.
All right. All right, so little princess is gonna go for a ride.
Oh my god!
It works pretty good. Yeah, oh, is that Aurora? Okay. Whoa! Aurora just got smashed. Whoa! Oh, oh! Uh-oh, rescue, we need a rescue. I'll try the flip. Nope, doesn't work. All right, 3, 2, 1. So as you guys can see, having a little character on the boat was fun and all, and it looked cool. Fun for the kids, but not really practical unless you want to go swimming and get it yourself, because that self-righting feature doesn't work very well. All right guys, what's up? Early in the morning, we are going to take this boat out on some nice smooth water. This is not going to be a wave area. It's kind of an inlet harbor, and should be nice. You can see the water is pretty smooth, very shallow though. Even though this doesn't have a prop, because it's a jet boat, it has this water inlet here, and that sucks up the water and shoots it out the jet. And so seaweed and gunk and stuff can't actually get in there, and that can ruin it. I've also got my water shoes on, just in case I need to retrieve it. There's no on-off switch on this, so you kind of have to plug it in and get ready to go. I've also got some water to clean it out with after. Yeah, this is pretty good. Oh, it gets pretty deep. Oh, I hope I don't flip it over. Nice. It's like glass. I'm about half throttle here. Full throttle now. Look at the little water jet. This is awesome. Oh shoot. That could kill it. Sand sucking up into the thing. All right, good. Look at that jet. Ready? Nice. Submarine slide. Oh, did it again. It's kind of hard to turn. Into the sunset. Seemed like it's slower now. And check it. Oh, no wonder. Okay. So that's why. Oh yeah, now it's faster. Oh, come on. Oh, the remote just doesn't go very far. That's what that beeping is. Wow, so not a big range on this remote. Good to know on a boat, geez. Look at that donut. Tight turning radius. Going out into the water here. Through the legs. Yeah. Bingo. Okay, guys. We'll shoot this thing through some clean water, not salt water, and see if it still works. I still have another battery. This battery isn't even done yet, so I think this thing might be able to take some waves. I don't know, what do you think? Go to the real beach? All right, we're gonna go for the third and final trial of this thing, which will be at the actual beach with waves. We're at sunrise here. Let's go give it a shot. Did a jump. There you go. It's still going. They're like, I'm over it. Nice. See that? They don't care. All right, I gotta flip it. Yes, it worked. It does a thing where once it gets into the air, it stops moving. You gotta flip it. There we go. Uh-oh. You got beached. That was pretty cool.
That's cool.
I'm gonna just do a little bit more. Oh, that got me. That got me good. There we go. Surfing, surfing. Nice. That worked out well. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. As usual, I'll put a link in the description and in the comments for this truck. Oops, not a truck. I'm used to saying truck. For this boat. And guys, if you don't know, affiliate links, you don't pay any extra for whatever you're about to buy. I have them in all of my YouTube videos for AMain Hobbies, Horizon Hobbies, Amazon, for Traxxas, and for CNHL batteries. If you're planning to buy any trucks like that and you happen to have liked this channel, or maybe the channel helped you purchase something, a good way to give back is just make that purchase through those affiliate links. And what it does is give a little percentage back to the channel, because that money helps me purchase more trucks and boats like this to do more reviews. So win-win. And let me know if you do make a affiliate link purchase. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll say thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed that. See you in the next video. Thanks.